Oh shit. Alright. Hey, what's up guys? Dylan here, aka Xenoscark, and today we're basically making slime here. And right now, we're about to finish this shit. I probably need some more gain, cause that's not that's packing right there. Okay, this is changing. The lighting here. Alright. God, it smells like bleach every fucking time. Is it forming? Look at that, bro. Look at that. Is it forming? Mine? Not mine. I guess. It's getting really fluffy. It's crazy. Mine is really sticky. Let me see it. Go ahead. Let me see it. No. Huh? Mine's sticky. I'll show you mine. Sucks. You can like help out mine. Alright, hold up. All I do here. Get this shit off. Fingers. Holy fuck. That's crazy. Give me that shit. Alright, trade. Quickly. Yeah, yours ain't so. That fucking sucks. It's not even forming. What the fuck is wrong here, Richard? I don't know. Is that doing so good? Mhm. Oh yeah, that's forming. Oh yeah, that's. Okay, just gotta curl it together. Look at that, man. Yours is kind of rippy, man. Let me see this. Let me see. Nah, you ain't get this shit, man. Hey, dude, I made that. I'm just kidding. Oh yes. Is mine forming yet? Kinda. Oh fuck yes. Look at this. Look at this guy. Hey, stop moving the. Fucking punch that shit out, man. Get out of the way, bro. Oh my gosh. Bruh, I gotta get that. Oh my god. Mine has formed because I used the right material. And I used it at the right time. Check this out. Let's mix ours. No! Why? You can add more of these if you want. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna help. Oh, shit. No, it's definitely not gonna help. Fuck. I'm just fucking up some shit over here. Look at this, guys. I'm taking some of your body down. Some of mine? Yeah. No. Yeah, just a little bit, please. Just a little bit. Not too much. Cum shot. Oh yeah. That is what I'm talking about, guys. We're gonna make a swirl, shit thing. I don't know. But yeah, let me try to make one real quick here. Let me try to. I don't know what they call those motherfuckers. I don't know. Mine look ugly as fuck, but I guess you guys can judge me or whatever. Some of what stuff?
That shit.
Just don't fucking make the table go wacko again, please. Some more of this. Some more of the activator. There. Oh my gosh, I love this. It smells good. And it's so smooth, I guess. That sounds weird. Wow. Let's see. But yeah, I can give you a little bit of this. What the fuck? Yo, is yours mixing? Just keep mixing it, bro. Just keep mixing. Pack it. Like what you did with mine, and then fold it like this.
My name's Shirley.
Not working.
Nah.
Well, just keep trying and it might form. Maybe we have to add more shaving cream.
Glue.
More glue. We don't have any glue.
Shaving cream. Let me see.
Okay.
Lots more.
Here.
Look at that, bro.
Make a bigger, use a bigger container for that.
Yeah, give me something else.
'Cause you got a pretty big fucking,
Yeah.
you gotta use a pretty huge thingy. Fucking bowl, I mean. Container or whatever. Here you go. Pour all that shit in there. Here, come on the come on the counter.
Give me it, dude.
Come on the counter.
Give me the fucking shit. I can get it. Ah!